So recently I picked up resin art as a new hobby of mine. No, not this. I'm talking about these. And oh my god, it's so easy to make mistakes. Luckily for you, I have a list of do's and don'ts and have a list of recommended brands that have worked out for me. Look how cute they are. I've gotten so much better at them.
Here were my first attempts. The resin itself is amazing. I don't know how to use part resin, so UV resin was easier to do. In fact, I didn't even know there were two types of resin. But as you can see, everything except the color was great. The colors I used are alcohol-based, and they are more transparent. I did not like these, as some of it did crack days later, so either I used it wrong or these colors suck. As an improvement to color, I went ahead and used acrylic paint, and it works even better. Also glitter too. As for the liquid inside, I found out that using vegetable glycerin mixed with water will actually make your charms float up, while using baby oil will allow them to sink. The next problem that I had was that the charm was sinking inconsistently, as you can see here with poor Luigi. What I used to fix this problem were the choices of beads and applying the resin on both sides of the charm. Now how I made these charms was simple. Just use a shrink plastic and lay a sticker onto the paper on top and dome both sides with resin. The keychain hooks were a cute detail to add on top of that, of course. Since this was a huge success, I was finally able to add them to my Etsy shop. Go ahead and check it out at Sally's Kitty Supply.
Okay, I hope this helps anybody that's starting a resin art hobby. Hopefully you won't struggle as much as I did. Okay, that's all. Thanks, bye!